Hi, my name is Mr. Richard, and I am going to be displaying the technology that I've been researching for my unit plan for MEME 866. And what we're going to have here is this is our ViewSonic touchscreen. It's basically like a giant iPad that we use all the time in our school, and many of our elementary schools in the districts have these, so this would be easily accessible for our classroom. It also can be transported. It has wheels on it. It can also be lowered for students that are shorter, or we can put a little stool up on top. The other thing about this is it's like a giant iPad. For students that can't reach or access something high like this, they would be able to have iPads that can still access the website and be able to do everything that students that are interactive on the large display would be able to do at their desk or at a lower station that they wouldn't be able to access this. So this kind of can include all students that would like to participate in this. So the website that I have here, and I apologize, I think it might be flipped on your screen, but it'll be easy to see. It is Zearn.org, which is a mathematics website, and it's like games. So in my unit plan, I'm using centers throughout the plan, and at one of the centers, there's always going to be a game center in which the students can access Zearn.org, and they get to play a game. I will plan that students at this point in the year through this unit, they will be very used to using this website, being able to navigate it and use it, and knowing how, without direct instruction, be able to access this information, access their own through QR codes, and be able to do this very quickly and very efficiently. So let me show you what we're going to be doing here. For our lesson, we are looking at helping students to learn their decimal places and learning how to count by 10 and ones, and being able to actually see these different placements by tens and ones. So the game that they would be playing in my unit lesson would be Blast. So they would start by hitting the start button, and we're actually logged into a student's account, so this is exactly what they would see, and they would hit go, and it's a fun interactive game. Okay, so they're going to have 10 questions, so they can do this pretty quickly. It's self-paced. It's what they can do. It gives them feedback, a lot of good things. So it's going to give us, what is 5 plus blank equals 6? So they're going to say, okay, we're looking at 1's place value here, so I know this is 5 plus 1 equals 6. So you get this, 1 plus 5 equals 6. 6 minus 1, we're going to have 5. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 9, 1, 5, so we're jumping up by 5 here, 2, and this is enabling them to be able to work on their subtraction skills while looking at place values and understanding kind of where they're going from here, okay? And you can see, they go back, check their work, get feedback, be able to see, okay, I've got all these right, kind of reflect on, and how did I get these correct, so on and so forth, okay? So great, let's do a bonus round, and let's see what it looks like if the student gets something wrong. So we got 10 more questions, and see kids kind of have fun with it. They can get excited about it. There is sound, I believe. I have the sound. Sound isn't working for some reason. So let's say I get a couple of these wrong. What is it going to look like? So I'm just kind of going really quick. Get some right. Miss a couple more. Get it right as well. All right, so we're going to go back and check our work and see how we did. So students will be able to do this. Okay, so we missed one. This is going to allow students to actually go back and say, okay, it's not actually 7 plus 2. What's another answer? Let's see. It's going to kind of let them take another chance at it and think, okay, 7 plus 2 is actually 9. Oh, it's 7 plus 3. It's going to really let them kind of figure out and show them as they go. So this is kind of technology I want to be able to use and incorporate the ViewSonic display, incorporate iPads, let them use that technology and play games at the same time to be able to really engage in the lesson. Thank you so much, and I hope that you enjoyed the technology display.